Welcome to this training video. We're going to show you how to connect to Xero using the Redware connector for Dynamics 365. You should have already seen the video and connected through here, and you've got your setup for CRM and you've got your license set up here. So those two are set up. Now it's time to do the Xero. Now for Xero, we need to create a security key. So the first thing we can do is just edit this and generate the certificate, and that's going to create some files in our program folder in here. So if you look at them, if you look at the date modified, there they are. The one that ends in 64 is the one that we got to push up to 0. And the PFX one is the one that gives us security. Now these are generated just for you, so that means that the access to Xero is secure. So let's log in first into Xero. I'm gonna log in here. And this is the Xero I'm going to connect to. It's a demo company sync. Now in order to create the keys, we have to go to app.xero.com and just make sure you've logged in correctly. I'll do it once more because I've got quite a lot of logons here. app.xero.com and log in to Xero, and then look at your apps that you've got here. I'm just going to delete this app that I've got and just make a new one. So we're going to go new app. You can only have 2 apps per Xero installation, so be careful of that. Whatever you type in here will show up on your Xero. You'll see and there's a little button that lets you connect back through to CRM from Xero. So put a nice description there. Then for your certificate file, you're going to need to upload a file that's been created in your program directory, which is this one with the 64. And then if you create the app and then just save it here. Now we need to copy these 2 keys into the software. So we got the consumer key. If we edit, put that in there. And we've got the consumer secret. If we edit, put that in there. Save, and then try and connect. Sometimes it doesn't work straight away. So just make sure you've saved this, and then let's fire up the software once more and go to the setup for Xero, connect. Now we've connected through to that, and you just need to just set up these defaults here. We're going to have 14 days for the payment, and then we've got to set up the sales codes. So the sales code, your defaults are 20% VAT on income here and sales, 20% VAT on expenses and purchases, and just save that. And then always just double check. So just go through and double check now. Running your software, you've got your connection to CRM, which you can test. You've got your connection, your license, which you can test, and you've got your connection to Xero, which you can test. So there we are. Everything's set up for Xero, and you're ready to now just process some information through in the next video.